say you know my bass flammable. Everything that I spit is hot.
Hey there YouTube, I'd like to do a quick review on the Simply Carbon Fiber pressed carbon fiber phone case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. So right offhand, this might not be a typical glowing praise review. So let me just start by telling you guys that this phone case retails for about $64.99 on Simply Carbon's website. And I did a lot of research before purchasing this case. So I want to tell you guys that pretty much everywhere that I looked gave this case glowing reviews. And now I'll add some pictures and show you guys. This case does look really nice. And it's supposedly real carbon fiber, pressed carbon fiber. And there are some good things and some bad things about it. So let's start with the good. The good obviously is it looks beautiful. And I'll show you guys some close-ups. Another good is it definitely fits. It fits great. Now I don't have a screen protector on here just yet. I did order my white stone dome. I'm waiting for that to come in, and I'll update with you guys with whether or not this case fits with that tempered glass screen protector. Now I've seen a bunch of reviews on YouTube about these cases, guys. But I haven't seen too many about the pressed carbon fiber cases. And so obviously, you know, you've seen the good, and I'm going to show you maybe a little bit of the bad. So first off, I think you can see this in the light right here and right around this area. Now I've only had this case for less than a week. I'm very careful with my phones. It's only been in my pocket and pretty much sitting out like on a table. I haven't dropped it. I haven't done anything rough to it. Now, as you can see, I got some scratches on there already, which I don't know if that's normal or not because I haven't had really any phone case that's carbon fiber before. But I'm kind of not impressed with it because it's already got scratches on it. And it hasn't even been a week. And I haven't even dropped it or done anything to it. Other thing I'm not too impressed with, I don't know if you can see right here, it's starting to separate from the rubber a little bit. Now this is about the area where I hold it a lot when I'm just scrolling through Facebook, YouTube, whatever. And it's already separating from the rubber part. Also there's this I don't think I can pick up on video, but there's a lot of little bumps right here. And I don't know what that is. I don't know if it got a little wet or something, but there's, well, maybe you can see that. There's some raised bumps right there. And it just doesn't look brand new. It doesn't look like it's holding up too well for only a week's worth of light use. So that's a couple of things that I'm disappointed in, guys. The other thing, and this is maybe a plus or a minus, depending on how you feel about it, but you see the buttons there? Now the buttons you can see very well, but when you run your fingers across it, they're not very pronounced. So I find myself constantly pushing parts of the phone trying to find the buttons, and even when my hand's on it, I can't tell my hand is on it. So they're not very clicky, like a lot of people like their buttons to be with the phone case. So yeah, that's kind of my short little review about it. You know, is this case worth $65? Yeah, I don't think so. I think I could find a plastic or a rubber case just as good. It does have that little edge there, so if you do drop your phone and you don't have a screen protector on, hopefully that'll save your phone. This product is made in the USA, so that's another bonus, I'd say. You know, it does look beautiful. With the price of phones these days, you definitely want to make sure your $1,000 investment, your $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 investment is protected. Will this do the job? I don't know. I've seen some videos. I've seen people throwing their phones, dropping their phones, and their phone survives. So maybe that's where all the value's at. But I tell you what, for the price that you pay for this, $65, I'm not impressed with that happening after a week. I can only imagine what it's going to look like after a year. And at that point, I might just get a different case. But, so there you go, guys. Those are my thoughts on the Simply Carbon Fiber phone case. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. They do have two styles. I got the pressed carbon fiber style. They also have, I believe it's just the classic style. And you know, that's got a lot of good reviews, and I think honestly, maybe that's the route I should have gone. But I thought the pressed carbon fiber looked a little bit different, a little, you know, a little cooler. So I thought I'd pick that up instead, but I'm kind of disappointed, guys. So let me know what you think, drop a comment, and we'll see you later.